over here. Just panning for some gold a little bit. Oh, found some. Look at that. Found it down here in this damn hole. I'm gonna research this and get some more of that. Yep. Sure damn good. I think we hit the big one. I don't know. Yeah, we sure as hell did. Mr. B, look at this. Look at all that gold. We struck it. Holy crap. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jeff the Maintenance Man. I know I usually don't start videos like this, but you know, I had to repair this because it had a aluminum rivet in it. I don't have it. It's shot off somewhere, but you know, I got a whole bunch of part kits in here, so I had to rebuild this, and I put a hardened lag bolt through it. So this is a hardened bolt, and I was gonna angle grind that off, but what's the point? If y'all don't know what this is a garbage disposal tool, especially for commercial stuff. You stick it in there, and then it captures the little nicks or whatever, and then you twist it, and it unlocks the garbage disposal. As you saw maybe in the intro of this video, we have some gold up in them hills. We got some gold. So I'm going to try to get this unstopped, so maybe y'all can come along, watch along, and have a merry time with me. Come along, shall we? Let's go. Let's go do it. Do. Right on. Alright, let's see if we can find any gold up in this bitch. Oh. Put that in there. There's a piece right there. There's a piece right there. Right by the blade. Man, the only thing is this is almost automatic. And there's another piece by the blade. Gotta love it. Why can't y'all just put food down it like it's supposed to have, man? Come on now. Alright, one thing is, alright, that thing is off. Well, there's a piece right there. Let's get that out of there. Yeah, this irks me putting. Ooh. Why ain't you wearing gloves, Jeff? Yeah, there's a piece of gold. We're mining for gold today. We're mining for gold. Let's see if I can find any other things. This thing's locked up tighter than shit. Let's see. Oh. Damn. Got some celery. Those are my two pieces right there. Oh, is that? No, it's part of the snap ring there. Yeah, gotta get those out of there. Right there. That's not good. Let's see if I can back this blade up a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, maybe. A little bit. Sponsored by Marvel. Come on, get on there. Get on there, bro. Let's see if I can back this up. I'm actually bending the screw. Holy crap. Forward. Ow. Gosh, dog it. Stuff pisses me off, dude. Ignorance. Ignorance pisses me off. I'll have to get a fucking hammer in there or something. That shit ain't coming out. I've already tried. I've got a little pick in there. It's wedged. So is that side. Fucking stupid ignorance. Look, more gold. It's nice. It's not real gold, guys. It's magnetic. Yeah, that's why I had that magnet in there. But that ain't gonna help nothing. That thing is wedged. Cause I can't get it with this garbage disposal tool. I ain't spending too much time on this, to tell you the truth. Oh well. Maybe I got it. I need you guys for a second. Y'all got the light. Nope. Damn, dude. That thing just needs to go over, man. I'll have to get a chisel or something. Hammer that out or something. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Something. I had it running just a while ago. It really wedged itself up in here. Come on, give me a light. God almighty. Dang. Nothing. Not a damn thing, dude. Shit. Nothing. Burn out the damn garbage disposal. No water or anything either. It's kind of fucking weird. Shit. Anyway, guys, I'm going home. This was a last minute project. I already know what's wrong with it. So, we got gold in them hills. I'm going home. This is not priority at the moment. When people do stupid shit like this, we got gold on these hills. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. Remember, keep your gold out of your garbage disposal. Have a good one.